I'm going to start right in. So, since I got a lot of interest about how to make index card, note cards, I'm going to get right into it and show you step by step and make it really easy for you to do. So I'm going to watch my screen and tell you step by step how to do this. And let's do it starting with a 4x6 card. So I'm just going to show you the example. That's what you see on the screen right now. And then I'm going to, whatever program you work with, I'm going to create a document. Mine's going to be, margins are going to be 4x6. I do 200 DPI, but you can do whatever works for you. So there's my blank card. Very simple, right? So then I'm going to take one of my greeting cards, and by the way, I'm working in Photoshop here, and I'm just going to take that greeting card and image and slide it right off onto the index card, the 4x6 index card. Then for me in Photoshop, I'll use free transform. Whatever you need to use to make your image smaller, go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to erase the border because I don't need it for this. So I'll just speed that up because you don't need to watch that. That's not exciting. So then, very simply, I'm going to use my text tool. And for me, I like to write a little LIL note from Colleen because I use these all the time in my thank you notes for my Women Humor greeting cards, for which I'll leave the link below, and from which I've sold close to 11,000 on Etsy. But anyway, Women Humor cards. But anyway, so after I've done that, I'm going to set it up to print. And this is the most important factor in this whole thing. You're going to set your margins. I'm going to let the screen catch up to me. You're going to set your margins, your print margins, to custom size, and that will be 4x6. For me, I like to print them lengthwise. It just works better in my printer. So I set the page up by, I do print with preview so that I can look and see how it's working, or how it's going to print. And once again, key to the whole thing, set your margins where you need to set your margins. So again, we're going to do height is 6, width is 4. So once you've set up your margins, it's pretty simple from that point. Then you're just going to print. Couldn't be more easy, right? And I'll show you printing. Very exciting. It's as exciting as watching paint dry to watch something print, but that's what we're going to do here. And then after I print it, I'm going to show you how I cut corners with, again, my favorite toy, the corner cutter that I purchased in Hobby Lobby that offers 3 separate corner options. But I really think it really makes it look professional. I love that rounded corner. And really, it's that simple. And index cards, I buy mine at Walmart, are a little over $1 and a little under $1. I buy either the slightly heavier cardstock, and those are 3x5, or I buy the 4x6 for my note cards. And I sell them in sets, but you can just make them for personal use. You can make recipe cards, you can make list cards, but there you go. Easy lemon squeezy. Let me know if you have any questions. In the meantime, I would love it if you subscribe or take a look at my Women Humor greeting cards, for which I'll leave the link below. Love, peace, and chicken grease.